Introducing the 2021 Audi Q7 3.0 Sport 55 Tfsi E Quattro 5 in stunning blue. This powerful 3-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine paired with an automatic transmission is sure to impress. Packed with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, cruise control, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, this estate vehicle is both luxurious and secure. The sleek design with roof rails and chrome package adds a touch of style. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specification servicing and comprehensive warranty, you can trust this Audi Q7. Visit spiritskoda.ie or call us today for more information on this exceptional vehicle.